Fine. So let's start the session. Once again, good evening to everyone who are in this exclusive virtual webinar organized by your college, and I'm glad to connect with you all through this virtual webinar. Though I am not able to see you all, still this is the way how we need to connect and share our thoughts. So I think it's an excellent initiative, and I'm glad to be part of this webinar series organized by JPR Institute of Technology. So coming to the topic, without taking much of your time, let me share my thoughts or what I want to highlight in this short next maybe 40 minutes of our time. Not much of dhyan, any textbook stuff. It is more of sharing experiences and how we could make ourselves as a much more sort of productive person once we are out of this chaos and we come out of this pandemic and meet each other, right? So what is the most important skill or most important thing which we need to really start working on? So that is what is the topic all about, which you would have seen in the screen which I was sharing earlier. Yes, that is the learning quotient. We call it as learnability quotient, LQ, right? So you all would have heard of IQ, intelligent quotient. People would have talked about emotional quotient and so on, right? So what is this LQ, a learnability quotient? So learnability quotient, as the name goes by, to what extent are you willing to learn things? To what extent are you able to adapt yourself or be flexible enough to ask a lot of whys? Why should I do this? Why is this way? Just not going about what's next? So asking a lot of questions, and not just asking questions, but also trying to find an answer and not waiting for the other person to come back to give you an answer, right? So you have different ways of self-learning, right? So learnability quotient is one of the major thing, maybe even in your interviews, the interviewers would really look out for, because once you move out of the college, it's not just what you know, but to what extent are you ready to learn new things? To what extent are you able to understand yourself and ready to adapt to a new cultural or work environment? So that is a learnability quotient, to what extent you have. And if you ask how to improvise this, it's very simple. It is very simple, and I think this lockdown time or this time wherein you are at home, it's not a time for vacation. So I can see many of your students joining, and I'm getting that beep here. Anyways, let me consciously ignore, because even for me this is a new way of interacting with students, because being a HR, being a people-oriented person, we are also adapting to this new way of connecting, right? So we are all sailing on the same boat, and you may be much more advanced in the techie way. So the reason why I'm saying this is coming back to the topic. We are all on the same boat, and we need to be more curious to keep learning or have more intention to learn, right? So just as we hear and read that at this point of time we need to really have good immunity and keep ourselves physically fit, right? So it's not just for our physique or for the body, but even for the brain, for the mind, we need to keep it mentally fit. So how are we going to keep ourselves mentally fit? So for that, we need to keep feeding it with the proper knowledge or skills by terms of learning. So how are we going to do that? So that we are also mentally strong enough, okay, and we can come out of this difficult situation and emerge as a masterpiece of ourselves, right? So how are we going to do that? I'm sure many of you would have already started having your online courses, your online webinar sessions with your colleges organizing, right? But please do not just wait for those to come. You yourself start doing a sort of self-learning, okay? Be it any branch of study, if you're from IT, or if you're from mechanical, or if you're from electrical side, whichever branch of study, please ensure you go through the additional certifications, because right now you have so many institutes and organizations which are providing free courses of study certification which are limited to a specific period of time. So make the best use of it. Go ahead, register yourself. And one thing which I have noticed, many of the students from JPR, whenever I scroll through my LinkedIn page, already you have started working on it. I can see a lot of certifications from Internshala or from Google doing a lot of certifications. Good, but keep doing it, and don't just take that certification just for the sake of posting it. Try to learn something out of it. Because whenever I talk to students, I tell, just getting certification does not matter. It is just a sort of a pass, right? It's just a sort of an entry pass that yes, you are aware of this. But when you go in for an interview, or when someone asks you that what is it, can you please show it or execute it, you will have to have the confidence to practically showcase your skill to them, right? So that is where majority of the students we feel lack. So if you know a specific skill, try to keep practicing it. So tool, practical knowledge is also important. So be it anything, if you know Java or if you know C, C++, be an expert in it. Don't be a sort of a cat on the wall. Konja theriyum, konja theriyadu. Because many of the students in the interview, when we ask them, right, on a specific topic, it may be a basic question, but what we hear is, madam, this one I read in second semester or third semester. I don't remember, I don't recollect it, I did not revise it. So this shouldn't be the case. And especially now, the reason why I'm highlighting this is we are in a very challenging situation now. And once we are out of it and we come out of it and we meet, or attend interviews, it's going to be very difficult. Not just for you, for every one of us. Okay, it's going to be a tough situation. And if we want to emerge as a successful candidate or a successful person from this, we have to be strong enough and prove ourselves by going extra mile, right? So earlier, if you are putting in maybe 100% of your effort, now you need to put more than 100%, go extra mile and start learning more stuff. And I think we have a wonderful technology which is a blessing right now, right? So just a mobile, if you just have a smartphone, You are able to go and browse n number of educational websites, and you will be able to go through different courses of study. So make the best use of this technology, because it's the only way through which we can connect and learn. Share with each other. Knowledge sharing is very, very important, right? So if you are in college, you have clubs, interdepartmental or interclass sessions which you would have been conducted, right? So similarly, use this technology and start doing it, right? And if not, you say that don't give excuses. Fine, you are alone in your house. Whatever possible, if you have books at home, start reading those. Because learning skill வந்து அதுல வந்து நீங்க எவ்வளவு தூரம் கத்துக்கிறீங்களோ அது உங்களுக்கு தான் நல்லது. ஏன்னா இதுதான், this is a very a golden period, I could say, a very golden period wherein you can sharpen yourself, as a sculpture, a statue to make a masterpiece. It is now this point which is a very good opportunity for you to sculpt yourself in the best possible way, and you can do it with the help of different opportunities you have, be it through online or books. எதுமே இல்லையா, மொபைலே இல்லையா, விட்டுடுங்க. No excuse. Take your college book, start reading it. Communication improve பண்ணுங்க. Okay, just read e-newspapers. If you have a smartphone, ஒரு paragraph learn பண்ணுங்க. இந்த டைம் இல்ல, பண்ண இல்லையோ, அந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள்ல வந்து just try to work on it. Okay, you may have thought do this thing, let me try doing it now. நீங்க வந்து இப்போ இந்த பீரியட விட்டுட்டீங்கன்னா it will stop people, just a marathon. And if you want to just come in the front, you need to really slog like anything. So இப்பவே நீங்க வந்து slow by slow daily ஒரு விஷயங்கள் கத்துக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா automatically that becomes a habit for you, and you will be able to learn anything. ஒரு simple concept சொல்றேன், right? So I'm sure you would have known this famous author Stephen Covey, right? So Stephen Covey அவரோட famous book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People என்ன சொல்லிருக்காரு? One of the key learning takeaway, right, is it takes 21 days to develop a good habit. Okay, so why don't you take this? Already 21 days actually we are in the second phase of at home. We are almost within a month we are at home. So make use of these days in future too to develop learning as a habit, right? So நிறைய விஷயங்கள் வந்து நீங்க காலேஜ்ல இருக்கிற லைப்ரரி இருக்கும், போய் படிங்கன்னா யாரு லைப்ரரிக்கு போவாங்க? அதெல்லாம் நம்ம அந்த சைடே போக மாட்டோம். And I know very well a group of colleges have a very wonderful set of library and lot of facilities, but how many of you have made the best use of it? But still, in spite of this lockdown, the college is taking so much of initiative. Please don't wait for someone. இப்போவும் வந்து யாராவது சொன்னா நான் கேட்பேன், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மைண்ட் செட்டப் இருந்தீங்கன்னா வருங்கால ஒரு ஃபியூச்சர்ல in the upcoming months or years it's going to be very tough. So if you want to bounce back, or if you want to survive, or if you want to continue as an emerging person successfully, you need to start proving from now, and you need to start preparing yourself from now on. Otherwise it's going to be very tough, right? So make this time to develop a good habit, okay, and a habit of learning. நிறைய பேர் வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு அசைன்மெண்ட் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? காப்பி பண்ணிடுவோம், கட் காப்பி பேஸ்ட். Assignments will be just copied, right? So I think now this time you can start working on something on your own. Volunteer yourself. ஏன்னா நான் ஏன் சொல்றேன்னா இந்த learnability quotient சொல்றேன் இல்லையா, அதுதான் ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு ஸ்கில்லா வந்து பார்க்க போறாங்க இனிமே, right? So how far you are volunteering, you are initiating, okay, to develop yourself is going to matter a lot. Okay, if a candidate has a very excellent grade, okay, very good technical skills, but at the same time you do not have proper soft skills or the attitude to learn or get accustomed to the future work culture where you applied for, you may not be an effective candidate for them, right? You may be a good candidate, but if you really want to get placed for that specific company, அவங்களோட வேல்யூஸ்க்கு நீங்க மேட்ச் ஆறீங்களா, அவங்களோட எதிர்பார்ப்பு expectations are you setting? So for that you need to have an open mindset to learn, the curiosity to learn. Okay, so start building that habit. Okay, that will help you in future, because learning is never going to hurt you irrespective of whichever age you are. Everybody of us are still in the learning process, because it does not have any age, never ending process. So now you are still in college, right? And by the time you come out, you have much more advanced technology. So நீங்க அந்த டெக்னாலஜிஸ்க்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா இப்போலேருந்தே அதோட what to say, the basic groundwork you have to start doing it to learn, right? நீங்க வரும்போது நீங்க இப்ப படிக்கிறது வந்து obsolete. So if you want to go super speed, you need to be more fast and you need to upgrade yourself in a much more, effective way, right? So how are we going to do that? For that you need to sit and do a self assessment. உங்களோட ஸ்ட்ரெங்த் என்ன, உங்களோட ஸ்கில்ஸ் என்ன, நான் வந்து எதெல்லாம் வந்து கத்துக்கணும்னு நினைச்சேன் எடுக்க முடியல, அது ஒவ்வொரு விஷயமா ஜாட் டவுன் பண்ண and start. அப்படியெல்லாம் இல்ல மேடம், அப்படியெல்லாம் எந்த ஒரு மைண்ட் செட்டப்பும் இல்ல அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்க, it's up to you, but the future days are going to be really difficult, and if we want to prove ourselves, we have to really sculpt ourselves in that way, right? So you would have heard the news and read that job opportunities, if irukra employees ke one job cuts, no increments, no promotions and so on, right? It's going to be challenging, but I would say that if you have the right skill, or if you have the right knowledge, skills and attitude for that expected job opportunity, you will be the most wanted prospective candidate for that company. They would really give you a call, give you a VIP pass and give you an onboarding process. But அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும், நீங்க வந்து ஒரு most wanted candidate-ஆ இருக்கணும், right? So 99% பேர் இதே மாதிரி யோசிக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா நீங்க வேற மாதிரி யோசிக்கணும். The 1% out of box think பண்ணி start learning, right? That is how you can stand as a unique candidate from the crowd. That is how you can make yourself more in demand. Okay, so அதுக்காக இந்த டைம் வந்து ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு important time. Okay, I generally have this, to connect with students. I often have certain dialogues or statements which I take from movies, especially to create a positive impact. And the connect is very important to make you understand. Maybe I'm not a fan of anyone, but just in one of the movies, Ajit solvangala, Tana Sedukanada, I have sculpted myself, right? That's what he says. So keep that in mind, right? So keep that in mind. ஒரு நாள் நீங்க எப்படி உங்களை வந்து செதுக்குறீங்களோ அதை வச்சுதான் உங்களோட அவுட்கம் நீங்க வெளியில வரச்ச நீங்க காமிக்க முடியும், right? So if you want to really prove yourself as the best, each and every day you will have to start, sharpening yourself, yourself, because you are the sculptor of your future, right? And this time is a very precious time. இது ஒரு வெக்கேஷன் டைமா தயவு செய்து நினைக்காதீங்க. எல்லாருமே வந்து all students, every professional is in the course of what to say, ஒரு எக்ஸாமினேஷன் சொல்லலாம். நம்ம எப்படி பர்ஃபார்ம் பண்றோம், எப்படி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றோம், அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி ரிசல்ட் நம்மளுக்கு இதுக்கு. So we have to put in lot of effort, that is for sure. So no other go, but have that attitude to learn. நீங்க attitude to learn இருந்தாலே தானா எல்லாமே வந்துடும். Don't wait for someone to force. இதுக்கு ஒரு சிம்பிள் மந்த்ரா சொல்றேன். நீங்க வந்து உங்க ஸ்கில்ஸ வந்து எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன்ஸ்க்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி நீங்க வச்சுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணணும் மேடம் அப்படின்னு கேட்பீங்க. சிம்பிள் திங், there is a cure for it. What is that cure? To develop your learnability quotient or any sort of skills. Okay, what is it? The cure is cross skill yourself, number 1. Second, you upskill yourself. Number 3, reskill yourself. And number 4, E, expert skill yourself. Okay, so I repeat, idukku ore cure, you have to cross skill yourself, you have to upskill yourself, you have to reskill yourself, and you have to expert skill yourself in your area of domain. Right? So நீங்க கேப்பீங்க இதுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம், கிராஸ் ஸ்கில்னா என்ன, அப் ஸ்கில்னா என்ன, ரீஸ்கில்லிங்னா என்ன, எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஸ்கில்லிங்னா என்ன? சிம்பிள். இப்ப வரப்போற டேஸ்ல வந்து உங்க டொமைன்ல நான் இதை மட்டும் தான் நான் பண்ணுவேன், இதுக்கு மேல எனக்கு தெரியாது அப்படின்னு நீங்க சொல்லாம என்ன மாதிரி டெக்னாலஜியா இருந்தாலும் I am ready to take it up. If you have that confidence and if you can do it, you will be the most required or most demand in the job market, right? So for that you have to explore, you have to start exploring lot of technologies, right? For example, if I am a HR, I need not just stick to my HR domain. If I am interested to know about share market, or if I am interested to know about IoT, if I am interested to know about what is Creo or AutoCAD, I will go and start learning. For that I need not be a chartered accountant or I need not be a mechanical engineer. It is the attitude to learn, right? So attitude to learn matters the most. எனக்கு சர்டிபிகேஷன் இல்லைனாலும் பரவாயில்ல, அந்த விஷயத்துல நான் செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் பண்ணி நான் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஸ்கில்டு பர்சனா ஆனேன்னா I will be in demand because I can practically show them that yes, okay, I can do this task job effectively as per your requirement. மறுபடியும் சொல்றேன், நீங்க பண்ற சர்டிபிகேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே important, but the only thing is the practical application of it is very 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 important, that you need to execute it, or else it will be just like your some paper hanging with your certification. Just நாமக்கே வாஸ்தே இருக்கும், நானும் சர்டிபிகேஷன் முடிச்சிருக்கேன். நீங்க முடிக்கலனாலும் செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் அப்படின்னா you can prove it in your interview, right? So cross skilling அப்படின்னா it need not be just the front end activities, the related back end operational. For example, if you are working on a specific tool, அதோட back end operation wise எப்படி அதை handle பண்ணணும், அந்த அதோட வந்து உங்களுக்கு knowledge இருந்தாலும் that will give you a value add. See, எப்பவுமே ஒரு விஷயம் மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க, நம்ம வந்து ஒரே ஒரு I mean you would have heard this or read this statement everywhere. Okay, it's not a new one, but I would like to share at this point of time. The best interest or any investment which would give you the best interest in return is only knowledge. Okay, நீங்க எந்த அளவுக்கு உங்களை வந்து இன்வால்வ் பண்ணி நீங்க உங்களையே இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்றீங்களோ in terms of learning new things, you will definitely be benefited. Okay, it is never going to be harmful or it will never hurt you in any way at any point of time, right? So think about it, understand. அதுக்குன்னு வரது எல்லாமே இது பண்ணாதீங்க, நீங்க செலக்டிவா சூஸ் பண்ணி எது வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான கோர்ஸ் which will give you more wider acceptability in the market, ஓகே, அந்த மாதிரியான டெக்னாலஜி ஸ்கில்ஸை வந்து நீங்க வந்து லேர்ன் பண்ண வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மேக் அ நோட் ஆஃப் இட். எவ்ரி டே வென் யூ ஸ்டார்ட், ஓகே, யூ ஆர் அட் ஹோம், ஹேவ் யுவர் ருட்டீன், மெயின்டைன் தட் ருட்டீன், ரைட்? ஓகே, காலேஜ் தான் இல்ல, வெளியில போக முடியல, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் பார்க்க முடியல, இஷ்டத்துக்கு ஒரு 10 o'clock எழுந்துக்கலாம், 11 o'clock, I can just I am the king now, I can do whatever. So don't have that attitude. Maintain your routine, maintain that routine, follow that routine, okay? And because once after this chaos is over, we have to come back to the normal life, right? So if you do not start practicing it and continuing the same schedule, you will definitely face the consequences and you will feel stressed and exhausted once you come back to the normal life, right? So schedule your day, each day, plan it. First வந்து உங்களோட செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நான் வந்து எந்த ஏரியாஸ்ல ஸ்ட்ராங், நான் எதை வந்து நான் புதுசா கத்துக்கணும். ஓகே, டூ ரிசர்ச் ஆன் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கம்பெனி. ஓகே, அதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லேர்ன் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு கம்பெனி வந்து எதுல பண்றாங்க. ஏன்னா நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் நான் என்ன பார்த்திருக்கேன்னா, ஒரு காலேஜ்ல ஒரு கேம்பஸ் வருது அப்படின்னா, இட் இஸ் ஒன்லி த ரோல் ஆஃப் த பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் டு கிவ் தி ஓவரால் பிக்சர் ஆஃப் வாட் த கம்பெனி இஸ். நோ, they will give you the details, but you as a candidate, a prospective candidate, you will have to go and do an in-depth research of what that company is. That is curiosity to learn. இது LQ இருக்கும். இதுதான் பேர் LQ. Your LQ should be very high. The more your raises in LQ, you will, a master, or you will be as a unique in that team to the company. You will have to be more a sort of a role of a leader. Initiate yourself, volunteer yourself, ask questions, okay, and collaborate with each other. So in the quality, having high LQ will not only help you to fetch a job right now or make you to be a unique person, but it also help you to improve in your career goals also, right? The job, fine, you will get it, but you will have to also survive in your career. So and the survival is very important. Not just survival, you have to go beyond the normal way and you have to outperform. So அதுல வந்து உங்களோட high LQ வெளியில வந்து தெரியணும், right? So இதெல்லாம் சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்கள் இருக்கலாம், but that will make you to stand as or distinguish yourself from others, right? So start doing it from today. Do it. Do a SWOT analysis of yourself. See what your strengths are, what you're good at it, and know what your weaknesses or areas of improvement are. நான் எதுல வந்து கத்துக்கணும், ஓகே, அது வந்து நீங்க ஜாட் டவுன் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு பேப்பர்ல எழுதி நீங்க உங்களோட ஸ்டடி ரூம்லயோ or wherever, you just have it, right? So daily when you wake up, it gives you a sort of reminder, right? So it gives you a reminder, okay, na idu pannanum. And spend time for yourself. This is the time wherein it is typically to spend for yourself a lot. Spend for your family members. Be more responsible. Try to develop new habits. It is purely, I would rather say, I have been always, I would like to share my experience being a working mother, a working woman. I have always wanted, at times to be at home, be with my family, be with my kids, okay, spend time, prepare some special food and so on. And if you see, my days are fully packed. Though I am at home, I am having a very tight schedule, managing my work from home, office work, at the same time my kid, and I'm able to spend time. I'm able to handle this passion of addressing students, okay, through way of webinar, because earlier I used to go to colleges during weekend, address students, because I feel it is also my responsibility as a HR, okay, not just in terms of sharing the opportunities, but also grooming students. that makes me more responsible giving to society. This is how I give back to society, right? So this is my passion, and I'm happy that even during such lockdown period, I'm able to connect with you all. So the reason why I'm sharing all this is the way how you can schedule your day, maintain the routine, keep up the energy level high. Doesn't mean that to become in a state of boredom just because you're not able to meet your friends or you're not able to come out of your house. No, take it in a positive way. See it in a positive way. How you can develop, can connect with others. How you improve yourself. Take this as a jackpot, golden opportunity time. நீங்க வாழ்க்கையில இந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு டைம் கண்டிப்பாக, ஐ மீன் இட்ஸ் ரேர் இன் ஹிஸ்டரி. ஐ வாஸ் ஜஸ்ட் ஷேரிங் வித் சம் ஆஃப் மை ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இது வரலாறுல வந்து நான் பேசக்கூடிய ஒரு விஷயம். they also talk to our kids or even grandchildren. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு விஷயம் நடந்துச்சு. we were all at home. so இதெல்லாம் வந்து it's a sort of a memory. so create some positive memories. Create positive memories for yourself, for your family, okay, and for the development of yourself, right? So that is why I said, sculpt yourself, sculpt your personality, that way that you come out as a masterpiece after this period, right? So when you meet after this, this guy, your professor, say, this guy, என்ன நீ ஆளே மாறிட்ட அப்படின்னு பாக்கிறதுக்கு மட்டும் இல்ல, ஓகே, செய்யல in terms of habits. So you need to come out as or evolve yourself as a transformed person, right? So this is the time for you to prepare and learn, right? So I think we are nearing to the end of the session, 5:45. So let me summarize before we go in for question answer session. Let me just summarize on the important point. Point number 1, LQ is very, very important. When you see in terms of interviews, as you would have heard of IQ and EQ, LQ is very, very important because the attitude and desire to learn or keep on learning is not only just when you go to a workplace. This quality of should be always without internal force to make you, right? So how are we going to do it? I have told you key mantra. So that is called as pure mantra. Upskilling, reskilling and expert skilling. So cross skilling is, நீங்க வந்து ஒரே விஷயம் மட்டும் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. அந்த டொமைன்ல என்ன சொல்றது, இன்டெப்த் அனாலிசிஸ் பண்ணி தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. தட் இஸ் கால்ட் கிராஸ் ஸ்கில்லிங். அப்ஸ்கில்லிங், அப்கிரேட் யுவர் செல்ஃப். Don't just stop to one version or one thing. If there is some upgrade, start knowing what it is and start working on it and have that knowledge on it. Then the reskilling na நீங்க நான் இந்த அப்ரோச்ல தான் நான் இதுதான் பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்னு இல்லாம வேற என்ன நியூ மாடல் அப்ரோச் இருக்கு, okay, in your domain, how it can be done, right? So if you take the HR, we used to go and get into the floor talk. Now we are also going into a new model, digi mode, of connecting with people. That is how we can connect with people. Okay? illa na paatha aagum. We need to talk to people. How are we going to do? We are going into the digital platform, right? So similarly in your domain, know how you are going to reskill yourself, take it in a new way of handling that. Then last is the expert skilling. நீங்க உங்களோட domainல எக்ஸ்பர்ட்டா இருக்கணும். You cannot just say that I am 50-50, I have knowledge in this, or எனக்கு வந்து இதுதான் தெரியும், இந்த சாப்டர் தான் தெரியும், அந்த சாப்டர் தான் தெரியும் அப்படின்னு இல்லாம, if you are decided, for example, you should be a thorough person. start working towards it. அது ரிலேட்டடான எந்த ஒரு வெப்சைட்டா இருந்தாலும் சரி, ஒர்க் ஷாப் நடந்தாலும் சரி, எனி கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் தெரியும். அந்த நீங்க வந்து ஒரு and you need to be more curious to know on that subject. So that makes you an expert, right? And it's not easy to become an expert. You need to really slog and you need to really have that attitude to learn a lot in depth, right? So be an expert in whichever domain you would like to have your career in, right? So this is the only cure to improve your LQ and come out of this situation a much better, a much better manner, and make yourself project yourself as a masterpiece of this period of time, right? The management for giving me this opportunity to host this webinar for the benefit of students. I'm sure some of the points definitely would have gone and stuck in your mind. If not, lock it up, because this is no gyan. This is what the reality. I've shared you my experiences. So now you need to start executing and thinking of it. ஒரு 2-3 விஷயங்கள் உண்மையா தான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Let's at least start working towards it அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஸ்பார்க் பல்ப் எரியணும் இந்த செஷனுக்கு அப்புறம். சரிங்களா? So though I'm not able to see it, I'm just trying to see the expressions you all, because if you're sitting in the auditorium, if you're sitting in the class, I know how the way the students would react. So I'm just, imagining myself and saying it. So please make the best use of it, and all the very best for your future. Let's hope to meet maybe after all this confusion, chaos is over, and we can interact. And meanwhile, if you have any clarifications, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, and I'm active on LinkedIn. So maybe in the chat I will text you my LinkedIn ID and Facebook ID. You can connect with me, and for any further professional clarifications, I would be glad to assist. Thank you so much.